All right, now that I've shown you the scope and sequence, I wanted to give you a peek at the subfolders and the way they're organized. I'm using our website, and you'll see that the scope and sequence is there and the link table of contents is here. The link table of contents encompasses the same information that's in the subfolders. The subfolders, if you purchase the content through Teachers Pay Teachers, through a unit, you would find that the paper units are roughly the exact same as that are right in here with the same exact subfolders. The link table of contents is something that the Google Ready buyers will use. And of course, all of the content is on our website. So the link table of contents is going to look something like this. Again, very familiar in each unit. So there's the intro investigation that has the visuals and the graphic organizer for students. There is the geography content, which has activities and also a geography quiz in the direct instructional piece here. There is the vocabulary. Again, very similar vocabulary activities that can be drawn from every single time with a vocabulary quiz. There are, 6 different options for teachers to choose from, depending on how they want their students to learn the content. There is the notes, readings, and graphic organizers. Again, this is the main piece of our curriculum. This is where they can do the readings via the historical snapshot. They can do direct notes with a graphic organizer or the stations activity. Now we have the activities. Again, pick and choose from what you would like and what you think your class might like for activities. And the big ideas, every single unit has a big ideas for a review. Again, students reflect on what they've learned through using the big ideas as the basic concepts to review from. And then the warm-ups are here. And then lastly, the study guide and test is there for teachers to use. If we go back, you'll see these exact same numbers that were used in the table of contents are also here. So if I were to open the vocabulary content, you'll see that this is where all the vocabulary content was housed, and it's numbered the exact same way. One of my favorite activities is the In Other Words activity. So I can preview that here by just going to the preview button when I click on it. And I can check it out. If I liked it, I could make a copy of it. One of the reasons why I really like this activity is because there's an independent portions activity where students go to Quizlet and study on their own. And then they come back here and drag the words to the definitions. Then after I give a quiz, and I find that they're very successful. So again, all of these activities will be very, very similar throughout each unit, just applied with different vocabulary content. So as I go back to the ancient world, ancient history subfolders, you'll see every single unit is organized in the exact same way. Again, once you get familiar with these subfolders, your teaching will become easier. Your students will be much more familiar with the flow, and they are very successful knowing exactly what you expect of them.